Hello everyone, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaizi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about polarized and optical activity. So I hope this video will be fruitful for you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. So friend, let us start today our topic polarized and optical activity. So what is optical activity? Optical activity is to the rotations of this plane polarized light by a chiral molecule. Human cannot do, means chiral molecules can be rotate plane polarized light. At the molecular level, one enantiomers will rotate. At the molecular level, one enantiomer will rotate plane polarized light to the same magnitude but in the opposite directions of its mirror image, assuming concentrations and path length are equal. The next important point is a compound that rotates the plane of polarized light to the right or clockwise is dextrorotatory. It is represented by a small d and is labeled plus. A compound that rotates light toward the left or counterclockwise is levorotatory. It is represented by a small l and is labeled minus. The direction of rotation cannot be determined from the structure of a molecule and must be determined experimentally. Look at here. This is the polarizers and a red one is showing ordinary light. When ordinary light passed through the polarizer, it polarized in only two directions. What is diastomers? Diastomers are non-mirror image conjugational isomers. Diastomers occur when a molecule has two or more stereogenic centers and differ at the same but not all of these centers. This means that diastomers are required to have multiple chiral center. For any molecule with n chiral center, there are 2 to the power n possible stereoisomers. So friend, look at here. 2 to the power n possible stereoisomers, n is equal to chiral center. 4 stereoisomers with 2 chiral center enantiomers, 1, 2, 3 and 4 pairs, and all other combinations are diastomers. Now, what is meso compound? For a molecule to have a optical activity, it must not only have the chiral center within it, but must also lack of plane of symmetry. Lack of plane of symmetry. This is the key point. Just remember it. Thus, if a plane of symmetry exists, the molecule is not optically active. Even if it is possesses chiral center, and this plane of symmetry can occur either through the chiral center or between the chiral centers. A molecule with chiral center that has an internal plane of symmetry is called a meso compound. Now look at here, L-tartaric acid and D-tartaric acid. And now you can see mesotartaric acid. There is a line of symmetry between the carbon. So, as shown in this image, D and L tartaric acid are both optically active, but mesotartaric acid has a plane of symmetry and is not optically active. This means that even though mesotartaric acid has two chiral carbon atoms, The molecule as a whole does not display optical activity. Meso compounds are essentially the molecular equivalent of a racemic mixture. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.